Jen Sparks. I'm really excited. We're going to be doing the Where We Ate in Orlando episode. I went to go visit my daughter Star. She works at Universal Studios. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I usually do resort reviews, but today we're going to be doing Where We Ate in Orlando. For those of you new to Orlando and haven't been here before, it's massive. And there are tons and tons of options to dine. Our first night after landing in MCO, which is Orlando International Airport, we stayed at the Marriott Lakeside. Wonderful hotel. I actually have a whole video out of it if you're interested in seeing that. And I'm also working on a video of all the hotels surrounding it. A little self-promotion plug there. Anyway, we ate at the Crimson Lounge the next day. I'm on keto, so I had a beautiful Cobb salad. It was great. My daughters aren't on keto, so you'll be seeing what they're eating. I don't know if you heard of First Watch. This place is awesome, and they are spread out all through Orlando area. They're like everywhere. It's kind of like Panera Bread, but it's a sit down. Like, and the menu is really good. It's kind of like that farm to table. Everything's super, super fresh, organic. It's got a really nice vibe. So the prices aren't fantastic, but they're not dreadful either. You know, I was able to get my omelet with a salad opposed to potatoes. My daughter had avocado toast with eggs, and my other daughter had pancakes, and everyone was super happy. We went in Davenport, which was a little further away, but like I said before, they're like all over the place. So it's called First Watch, and it's an excellent place if you're looking for a fantastic breakfast. I highly recommend that. We ate inside, but there's also outside dining as well. All right, our next adventure. All right, we're going to Universal City Walk. I'm seriously all over the place on this video. This video isn't about the cheapest place or the places in City Walk or Disney. It's pretty much where we ate, where we were. Have you been to City Walk before? And please let me know in the comments where you ate and if you enjoyed it. Because tonight we are going to Hard Rock Cafe. It was awesome. So stay tuned and come inside with us. And, let us show you around and show you what we ate. For those of you that don't know, Hard Rock Cafes have rock and roll memorabilia from all different eras on the walls. It's really cool to check out. Like, and as we were walking through, we were like mesmerized by all the coolness everywhere. We're just like, wow, this is so cool. It was really, really busy. If you do eat in City Walk, I highly recommend you get reservations. It is really important because, like, when the crowds get out of the parks, everybody goes right beeline for these places. So get a reservation. We had got a reservation that day, and we were walking all the way through this place, and they gave us a table in the back in this round room, which is really cool. It was really excellent. I was kind of like happy because the rest of the restaurant was really, really noisy, and this wasn't, and it was like cool, like to get up. We put our order in, and we were able to get up and like look at all the cool artifacts everywhere. It was the most excellent time. Me being on keto, I ordered a burger and took off the bun. Got a salad instead of fries. Oh gosh, what did my daughter got? She's a vegetarian. She got a good Impossible Burger with the fries. The meal was good. It wasn't like amazing by any means, but you got to think of it as like it's a cover charge. It is like just to go in. Look at this. This is Angus Young's outfit. Like Angus Young from AC/DC. Hello. Like super, super cool stuff. This is Nikki Sixx's base. Have you seen The Dirt, the Motley Crue movie? If you did, let me know in the comments. Oh my God. I mean, I love that the younger generation is getting to experience what we did in the 80s by watching The Dirt. But this place is seriously cool. But there is a lot of choices in City Walk. I'm going to also be showcasing other places if you watch further in this video that I went to in City Walk. Okay, anybody recognize this place? The chocolate place in Universal Studios City Walk. they had the little scan thing. I got a salad, and let me tell you, it looks boring, but it was good. And my daughter, yeah, she got this milkshake. It's like a $15 milkshake, but that was good. And it was like a margarita pizza, I believe she got. Okay, now I'm taking you across town. We are going to where I'm staying, actually. It's called Mystic Dunes Resort. I got it through Interval International because I have a timeshare, and I got it for a whole week. We stayed here, and we dined here at one evening. They have happy hour, but we just sat in the dining room. I was with my daughter, so it wasn't like a happy hour kind of thing. And I got a filet mignon, and it came with a wedge salad and eggs, and I believe it was like $17. It was like really, really, really good deal. And she got the quesadillas with all the fixings. It was really nice, and it's open to the general public. It's a golf course, so as you can see, it's a great place to go. I think this was a Saturday night. After our stay at Mystic Dunes, we went over to Westgate Vacation Villas, and next to it is Westgate Town Center, and they had Villa Italiano CHOPHOUSE. It's pretty new to the Westgate. It was my first time there, and I was very impressed. The place was beautiful. Both this place and KENZIE'S that I just showcased before are, like I said, are open to general public. So you'd have to go through a guard, a gated thing when you first come in. Just say that you're coming here to have dinner. But it's a cool place. And like I said, this place was a little busier though. You know, we didn't have reservations, but we were able to get in. It was like 5 o'clock when we went. This is the hardest thing on keto with the bread. Passing up the bread is like stinks. So they gave you a really nice salad, and I had ordered chicken marsala with mine, which I opted for green beans instead of potatoes or pasta. You know, it's totally doable when you're going away to like kind of make modifications to what you're having. My daughter, of course, fettuccine Alfredo. I was like hating on her. No, actually, I'm really okay with the changes in my diet. It makes me feel better. Like I'm not so tired and sluggish all the time when I eat. I don't eat carbs and sugar. Okay, I'm going to confuse you guys a little more and take you back to Universal Studios. We're going back to City Walk. We're going to try Vivo Italian Kitchen this time. There's so many places to dine over there, and they're all so good and so unique. But this one caught my eye. My daughter said she had ate there before and really enjoyed it. We got there for opening. We didn't have a reservation, and they could not seat us because, like I said before, a lot of people eat here. So get your reservation if you want to go to one of these places. Luckily, they were able to seat us at the bar, which was really good. They had the scan thing like most places do now. You scan it on your phone. There's no need to even have to touch a menu. And I got chicken marsala again. It's my to-go. It's my go-to. My daughter had vegetarian pasta. She liked it. It was good. They had an open kitchen. It was pretty neat to see. Really nice vibe. Really highly recommend it. Okay, I almost didn't put this in. It's like, yeah, Starbucks, we know. It's coffee. It's coffee, pastries, all that stuff. But when you're on keto, going to a bakery is really rough. But Starbucks has something really cool. They have like these little mini egg things. They give you 2 of them. I don't know. It's like $5. But they were like egg souffles. So that was nice. So I added it in there. My daughter got a egg sandwich. This right here was taken at Endless Summer, which is a Universal Studios resort, which I have a full video on that as well. Another shameless plug. And that night we went back to City Walk. I'm going to take a crack at this name. ANTOJITOS, I think it's called. It's authentic Mexican food. We were craving that. We wanted to get some queso dip, and my daughter wanted some chips, and I figured maybe I could get some good fajitas. As you can see, this place is very colorful and very neon. It's got a really cool vibe. We had reservations, so we were able to get seated right away. It was nice. The food was pretty good too. Like I said, Universal Studios City Walk has tons and tons of places to dine, so it's worth checking it out. Do your research before you go. Find out what interests you, what kind of cuisine you like. Make reservations. It's really important. Tell me in the comments if you had dined at any of these places I suggested. I would love to hear what your experiences were. And here's the food right here. It was good. I really enjoyed it. Okay, and now after all that food, I'm going to take you on the Hulk roller coaster. Actually, I'm not really going on it. I went on it though on my stay, and that was fine my last time. It was really fun when I was in my 20s though. Well, my daughter was working. She works on that ride. I went to this place, Confiscio. I was waiting for her to get out of work, so I didn't really want a full dinner, but I went for an appetizer. Again, I wasn't sure if to put this in, but I figured, hey, maybe somebody wants to see what it looks like. If you do want to see other videos I made a video right here. All the cheapest places or great deals. I'm going to say cheapest, but good deals I find when I'm in Orlando. Also in my collection, you will find Interval International Resorts. A lot of them. And a lot of different just resorts in the area, from Universal Studios to Walt Disney World. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe to my channel. That would be very helpful, and I would love that. That would rock. Thank you so much for watching, and safe travels to you.